This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Henard. This awesome one-bedroom, one-bath condo features an open floor plan, upgraded all-wood cabinetry, hardwood floors, a soaking tub and separate walk-in shower, granite countertops and tall ceilings. The extra-large balcony boasts plenty of room for entertaining and relaxing. A gated garage parking space and a climate-controlled interior storage unit are also included. Condo amenities include a marina for water access, pool, fitness center, clubroom, courtyard with gas grills, security, fireplaces and a serene fountain, along with secure bike and kayak storage. For more information, review the details below or contact Henard at 865-307-2593.